What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and today you guys might recognize this vehicle. It's a customer's car. It's a Mustang GT, and we did these Shelby wheels on it. Now, the owner, he wanted a little bit more pep in it, and he wanted it to be a little bit more louder. So we got a Corsa intake that's going in, Kooks headers, and a Corsa Catback exhaust. We're gonna hop in the vehicle, we're gonna go get on the lift, and let's get this thing started. Well, guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. The Mustang GT got Corsa full catback exhaust, Kooks headers, and a Corsa intake. It sounds like an absolute beast of a monster now. And well, that's all we got for today. So please leave us a like, comment down below what you want to see in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all of our social media channels. See ya.